Hello and welcome to this tutorial of XLOOKUP. In this video, we'll explore how to use XLOOKUP function in Excel to find things in a table or array. What is XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is a powerful function that allows you to look up values based on specific criteria. Unlike VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP or index match function, XLOOKUP can search in any direction, left, right, up, down, and return results from the same row. So let's dive in. So we have a setup here. You can see like there is employee table, and in this table we have employee ID, grade, and education. There is another table which has employee names with ID, and the third one you can see the grades. Along with that, we have salaries and tax percentage. So to use XLOOKUP, let's say we want to bring in this blue table uh, the last name from this orange table and salary from the green table. So we will put here last name column and the other column salary. Now, how we will bring it from the orange table? For that, we will use XLOOKUP. So if you see XLOOKUP arguments, there are three main input for that formula. One is lookup value, what we are looking for. For example, in this case, we are looking for employee ID, comma. The next one is lookup array, where we are looking this employee ID. So if you see, we are looking in this column. And we will freeze it so that it should not be changed when we will extend it, comma. What the third argument is like what we want to return based on this comparison. So we want to return the last name from this column. This also will freeze so that it should not be changed. Now there are optional argument like if value is not found, what should come? We are not going to specify, so it will be empty. And then we have like it should be matched exactly or partially. So here we will saying like we will take exact match. So 0 should be there. Then we have to specify whether we want to search from top to bottom like first to last or last to first. So in this case first to last is okay for us, and then we'll close bracket. Now you see that against this employee ID which is A04, the name is Linda, so it is coming properly. So we can just double click here and it will bring for the other employees also. Similar way for salary we need to do the same XLOOKUP, but in this case horizontally. So what we will look for in this table is actually grade, because grade is common between these two tables. So we will search the grade in this row, and we want to return salary based on this comparison. So we will select that row which we want to, from which we want to return the value. So we freeze this one also. Here also we are not going to specify if not found what should come, so nothing will come. And then it is exact match, so we'll put 0. And then we want to search from first to last, so we'll put 1 and close bracket, enter. So you can see here based on the grade, which is 9 grade here, the salary is 22,000, so it is coming from there. So I can double click here and it will bring the salary for other grades also. So that's the simple use of XLOOKUP table. You can explore further option in that, like we have defined the search from first to last. You can go for last to first, and other options also you can use and see how it works. Hope you like the simple explanation and it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.